Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a receipt paper roll in your Clover Station thermal printer. So to open up the front, you simply pull up, and you'll notice here that there is a black plate and a green button. So once you push that green button down, it'll release the plate so you can pull it up and drop in your roll. Now you want to make sure that you are placing it with the paper feeding under, but through the back. So not under facing the front, but under and facing the back like this. So you drop it in and pull out some excess paper, close it, and tear it off. And now you are ready to roll. Now the type of paper that you need for the Clover Station is a 3 1/8 inch wide by 2 30-foot long thermal paper roll, which we carry in standard white, as well as in blue, pink, yellow, and green. And all of these rolls are BPA free, so you can feel good about giving these receipts to your customers. And we also carry this roll in a phenol free option as well. So if you have any other questions about your Clover Station or your Clover Mini, Clover Flex, or any other terminal, feel free to give us a call or visit us at possupply.com. We make it easy to find the right supplies for any terminal, and we are always happy to help you.